Okay, so problem of the day is to find the remainder for x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. And so what we could do here is use synthetic division, and we can take the coefficients. You have 1 for the x cubed, 2 for the x squared, minus 4, and then a constant. And we're going to divide by x minus 1, so synthetically we're going to use x equals to 1. If x minus 1 is a factor, we use x equals to 1. So I'm going to put x equals to 1 here, and then we're going to bring the first number down, and we're going to bring the 1, and then we're going to multiply 1 times 1, that's 1, and then we add 2 plus 1, that's 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Negative 4 plus 1 is a negative 1. And then 1 times negative 1 is a negative 1, and the remainder is 0. So this is your remainder. Remainder is 0. And since you have x cubed divided by x, this is going to be x squared plus 3x minus 1. So x squared plus 3x minus 1 is a factor, and x minus 1 is also a factor. Now, if we were looking for just the remainder, I would say the easiest way of doing this problem is to just plug in directly x equals to 1 into the original polynomial, into your dividend up here at the top. You would have 1 cubed plus 2 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 1, and this will give you your remainder. So whatever we get here, that will be our remainder when we divide this. So we're going to have 1 cubed is 1, 1 squared is 1 times 2, that's 2, minus 4 times 1 plus 1, and so 1 plus 2, that's 3, minus 4, that's minus 1 plus 1, and the remainder is 0. So it checks out. That is correct. The remainder is 0. Either you can do synthetic division or do direct substitution, plug in x equals to 1, and you get the same answer. That concludes our video for today, finding the remainders by dividing by polynomials.